Hello students, welcome to the world of computers, and today's episode you are going to learn about MS Word and Excel. Having learned the computer basics, now you need to learn about computer programs which solve your work related problems. Now what is a word processor? A word processor enables you to create a document, store it, display it, modify it by entering commands and characters from the keyboard, and you can print it on a printer. These documents can even incorporate animation and sound. Now let us look at the history of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processor designed by Microsoft, a US company. The first version of MS Word was released in 1989 at a price of $500. With the release of Windows 3.0 the following year, the sales began to pick up. This software was packaged in both Windows 3.11 and a Macintosh operating system version, released in 1992. It was one of the first Microsoft products to come out on both CD-ROM and on floppy disk, adding to the convenience of the package. This helped to differentiate it from its primary competitors of the time. It included Word 2.0, Excel 4.0, PowerPoint 3.0 and Microsoft Mail, the early version of Outlook. The current edition 2007, which was released alongside the controversial Windows Vista, was billed by Microsoft as the most significant leap forward for the company since 1995. It is rather feature rich, but most users for most of the applications will likely stick to the most of the core functions established by Microsoft in the mid-90s. Basic features which all word processors contain are insert text, delete text, cut, paste, copy, page size and margins, search and replace, word wrap and print. The more advanced features of word processors are fonts, line spacing, cut, copy and paste, insert graphics, pictures, tables and lists, headers and footers, endnotes and footnotes, spelling, grammar and word count, previewing and printing, page breaks and section breaks, mail merge or other features. Now let us start how to work with MS Word. Now first you move the pointer to the programs. Then in the menu, identify where Microsoft Word is placed. Move the cursor horizontally to come out of the programs. Click the left mouse button there. The computer will start MS Word. You will find the screen as follows. The title bar, it displays the document name followed by a program name. The menu bar contains a list of options to manage and customize documents. Standard toolbar contains shortcut buttons for the most popular commands. Formatting toolbar contains buttons used for formatting. Ruler is used to set margins, indents and tabs. Insertion point, the location where the next character appears. End of document marker indicates the end of the document. Help It provides quick access to help topics. Scroll bars used to view parts of the document. Status bar displays position of the insertion point and working mode buttons. Task pane provides easy access to commonly used menus, buttons and tools. View buttons changes the layout view of the document to normal view, web layout view or reading layout view. Now, how to save the file? Save your file by following these instructions. First, choose the file Save As from the menu. Specify the correct folder in the Look-in field. Name your file by typing lesson6.doc in the file name field. And finally, click Save. Don't exit Microsoft Word. How to close the file? Close your file by following these instructions. You are going to open a new file for the next exercise. Choose File, Close from the menu, Open New File, choose File, New from the menu, click Blank Document in the New Document pane. If you need to close the pane, click on the X in the upper right corner of the New Document pane to close the pane. Okay, now you will learn how to print the document which you have created. After you have finished typing your document, you would like to print it. While preparing to print, you can specify the number of copies you want and the pages you want to print. Now, how to print your document? First, choose File, Print from the menu, then click OK. The printout will come. Alternate method is printing by using the icon. Click the print icon on the standard toolbar. Now, let us learn about bullets and numbering. In Microsoft Word, you can easily create bulleted or numbered lists of items. Now, let us know how to create a table. To create a 4-column, 5-row table, choose Table, Insert Table from the menu. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Now, let us learn about the header and footer toolbar. The header and footer toolbar contains buttons for functions that you will use frequently when working with the header and footers in your document. Inserting an image. In Word, it is possible to add clip art or other images to a document. Click the cursor in your document where you wish to place an image. Then go to the menu bar and select Insert Picture. This is all about MS Word, which you can master through practice. Excel and spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is also known as a worksheet. It contains rows and columns and is used to record and compare numerical or financial data. Originally, spreadsheets only existed in paper format, but now they are most likely created and maintained through a software program that displays the numerical information in rows and columns.
When you open the Excel sheet, the first thing that you notice is that it is divided into columns and rows. Columns are in an alphabetical order from A to Z. The rows are in a numeric order. The columns rise vertically like a skyscraper and the rows are horizontal like seats arranged in a movie theater.
Features of MS Excel are columns and rows, formulas, functions, cell formatting, ranges, graphs and charts. Various applications of Excel. Excel is used in any area or field that works with numbers and are commonly found in accounting, budgeting, sales forecasting, financial analysis, scientific fields. Now, how to open Excel? Start Programs, Microsoft Office Excel 2003. File extension of Excel is .xls. Now, how to create a simple spreadsheet? This is what a basic spreadsheet may look like. Keeping track of the grades for 5 students, simple formulas, adding grades of students is equal to B2 plus C2 plus D2 divided by 3. By following the normal order of operations, the contents of the 3 cells in parenthesis, that is B2, C2 and D2, are all added to each other and then divided by 3. Now, how the sorting is done? One of Excel's powerful features is to sort while still retaining the relationships among information. A new window will appear asking how you would like to sort the information. Let us sort it by the average grade, which is in column E. Be sure to set by descending order. If there were other criteria you wish to sort by as secondary measures, you could do so. Let us select then by as grade 3. Just for the practice of doing so, Excel will sort your information with the specifications you entered. The result should look something like this. Now, let us learn about Chart Wizard. Excel allows you to create basic to intermediate charts based off of information and data within your spreadsheets.
First of all, let's do a column graph. First, highlight the data that you want to graph. This is the y-axis information. The values of the academic years can be put on the x-axis. So highlight them. Highlight the y-axis data and go to the chart wizard. Here the first item highlighted is a column graph. Notice that it has 4 values on x-axis like 1, 2, 3, 4. What you want is to put the academic year over here. So you have to go to the Series tab. Under the Series tab, you have the category of X-axis levels. Click on this and then go and highlight the academic year. This will then place those values into the X-axis. Now you can go to the next tab. This is on the side of what we call legend, where you can put your data. You can also put a title in here. So X-axis is going to show the academic years and the Y-axis is going to be depicting tuition. You can put the title in the whole graph if you want. Then click finish and your graph is ready.
Okay, I hope you liked the lesson. You have learned about MS Word and Excel. Go ahead and practice it. I am sure you will succeed in mastering these art. These are the modern softwares which are used by most of the people in the office, in the homes and anywhere else, even in the trains, even in the planes. Go ahead and try your best. Wish you all the best. Thank you.